Spytec Gl300 Wireless GPS Tracker. Are you tired of worrying about the safety of your car? Do you want to keep track of your vehicle's location, speed, and route? Look no further than the Spytec GPS Gl300 Wireless GPS Car Tracker. The Spytec GPS Gl300 is a top-of-the-line car tracking device that provides real-time location updates, accurate speed tracking, and detailed route histories. With a compact and discreet design, this wireless GPS tracker can be easily installed in your car without drawing any unwanted attention. Imagine having the peace of mind knowing that you can locate your car at any time, whether it's parked or on the move. The Spytec GPS Gl300 allows you to monitor your car remotely using your smartphone, tablet, or computer. You can set up custom alerts to notify you of specific events, such as speeding or unauthorized use of your vehicle. Don't wait any longer to protect your car with the Spytec GPS Gl300 Wireless GPS Car Tracker. Buy now and enjoy the benefits of knowing where your car is at all times, improving its security and ensuring your peace of mind. With our easy-to-use platform and exceptional customer service, you can trust us to provide you with the best GPS tracking solution on the market. Click the link in the description below to place your order and experience the difference that the Spytec GPS Gl300 can make for your car's safety and security.